Hi everyone. We are going to do the alphabet, but while we say the letter names, we're going to also make the sound and we're going to do a motion that goes with this sound. That way, if you ever are at a word and you don't know what one of the letters means, you can do the motion so you can trigger the sound in your head. So follow along with me, do the motions, and say the letter sounds. A, ah, 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 ah. B, 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 b. C, k, 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 k. D, 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 d. E, 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 e. F, G, ga. H, I, J, 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 j. K, kick your leg. L, o, 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 o. M, mm. N, O, ah, 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 ah. P, Q, qu, 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 qu. R, S, S. T, 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 t. U, V, victory. W, X, 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 x. Y, yeah, and Z, z.